Yes, guys, I'm going to cook a poached egg. So you need a water and a white vinegar. Leave it to boil. Then when it is boiled, add the egg. Yes. Then leave it to cook. By the way, this is a Rosabel Cooking Adventure. Welcome back to my kitchen. Well, if you are not yet subscribed on my channel, you can subscribe and share the video if you love this video. If you want to learn more about sandwiches, cakes, dessert, and learning about baking, easy baking, you can subscribe my channel. Here we go, guys. I prepared a plate with a towel tissue. Here we go. To absorb the water from the eggs. Look at this. Then I prepared also a small ripe of avocado. The small size of avocado. Yes. Who love avocado? For me, I love avocado so much. It is a tastier fruit ever. I love it. Slice it. Then to avoid discolored the avocado, add some lemon juice or lime juice. Yes. And here is my homemade sourdough bread. I made also a sourdough bread. Yes. I add some nuts, sunflower nuts, and I add also flaxseed to my sourdough bread and a chia. Yes. Well, now we spread some salted butter, spreadable salted butter. And I'm going to use only a half of the avocado. Yes, it's enough. Yeah. Look at this. Because it is a bit big slice of sourdough bread. A brown sourdough bread. I use also a number 3 flour. Here we go. Yes, so this is high fiber sourdough bread. Together with the chia seeds, flax seeds, and sunflower nuts. Then add the eggs, yes, and black pepper, and of course the salt. This is a Himalaya salt, the pink one, the pink Himalaya salt. Then next is I'm going to drizzle some sesame paste. Yes. If you are living in Europe, you can find this sesame paste in Arab supermarket. Look at this, guys. Then I'm going to add as well a baby rocket. Yes. Look at this. And drizzled as well a bit of pomegranate molasses. Yes. Look at this. Wow. I love the taste of pomegranate molasses. Yes. Look at this, guys. Then drizzled of molasses. Here we go, ready to serve. All right. Perfect for your breakfast.